In this video, we'll show you how to hide photos on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Sometimes you may have photos that you don't want others to see, but you still want to keep them. Instead of deleting them, you can hide them. Let's walk you through the process. Start by opening the Photos app, then locate the photos you want to hide. Tap Select in the top right corner and choose the photos you want to hide. Once selected, head to the bottom right and tap the three dots. You'll see the option to hide. Tap on that and confirm your choice. Now you might wonder, where can you find your hidden photos? To access them, scroll down and, under Utilities, you'll find the Hidden album. Tap on it and use Face ID to view your hidden photos. You can view the hidden images here, and if you decide to move them back to your main library, tap Select, choose the photos, and either delete them or tap the three dots and select Unhide. That's it. If you found this helpful, leave a like and thanks for watching.